Inflation may be slowing, but prices are still rising. But you know this, because under your government's watch, beef has increased by 44% in the last 5 years. It's up 24% in the last 12 months alone. Butter and milk prices have risen 45% in the last 5 years, and in the last year, butter is up 10% and milk is up 5%. In real terms, diced beef prices are €4.10 in the last 5 years long. That's the economic cut of beef to make a stew or a casserole is up by that amount. 2 litres of whole milk has increased 73 cents in the last 5 years. This impacts everyone that has to go to the supermarket to feed a household. The average price of a pound of butter has increased by 55 cents, and a kilogram of cheddar cheese has risen by 62 cents in just 1 year. These price hikes are hitting people really hard, especially now, where we know from research that 1 in 5 people planned to borrow money just to get through the short but expensive Christmas period. And this isn't just the everyday costs that are going up. We saw this week Diageo, a multi-billion-euro company, has announced that the price of a pint of Guinness will go up by 20 cents. On Post have announced that stamps are going up by 20 cents, just to send a simple letter. These increases are constantly chipping away at people's disposable income and their sense of financial security. The most recent data we have on motor insurance costs show a rise of 9%, health insurance nearly 10%. Irish households, as we know, are paying more than most than Europe for the cost of electricity. People are getting hit in every single direction. So the question has to be asked, have you just given up? You've got no answers for increased grocery prices. You've no answer for increased insurance costs. You've no answer for increased utility bills. So, Minister, when is the government going to step up and provide direct support for those working people, those vulnerable people that need it, direct support? And will you prepare to look at such things like windfall taxes on the big energy companies or the big chain supermarkets to target support for people that are struggling to pay bills?